Okay, so let's try to enhance even further the rendering by changing two or three things. Okay, so probably the floor should be like also detailed in a way. So I'm gonna select the floor and go to the material floor. Um, I'm also gonna assign file image, pressing the folder here, and I'm gonna go to my images that again you can download from the web. Carpets. I'll just change. Take a blue carpet. This one. Immediately this will show it, and you can select the object again, and in polygons create UVs. In this case, planar mapping will be the one we need to do to make it smaller, no? Because the pattern of the carpet fits in a smaller degree, you know. So right click, change object, or press outside of the object. Okay, we have that. So let's press the object and go again to the material, and you see there that we have that. So let's press the bump material box in file and press on file and press folder, and I have a specific black and white, where is it? The blue carpet VNN, black and white, as in blanco y negro in Spanish. I just took the other one and I took it to Photoshop and saturated to grayscale, and then just change the levels so we can get a black and white image. Say open, so that will give us a bump feeling. Okay, so here in bump we have to go to bump depth and reduce it as we did before, because if not it's going to be too aggressive. Good. And in the material again we're going to change a couple things in Mentor, which is the refraction. In this case we're going to increase it a lot, and we're going to space 30 something and 3. Good, so we have that. I'm going to press the light as well and reduce the cone angle. I think it would be better if we reduce it and a little drop off. And the shadows, if you remember, they weren't very good quality, so we're going to also increase the samples to 100, for example. And I think that's pretty much about it about the scene. But if you go to settings, there's two specific points or boxes that you should click related to definition of the render of the models rendered. So if you go to indirect lighting, we're going to press here in global illumination and final gathering. The final gathering is to give it more accurate definition to the object. Global illumination is more of a bouncing type of light that's going to give it more sensibility to the light. No? So okay, I'm going to stop that, close that, and say 7.1. And in this case, I know my computer, I think it will crash, so I would just render a small area. Another thing you probably want to do for your big render is in settings, you should go to common and change this to 1080. Okay, HD 1080, so it's bigger quality. So okay, I'm gonna do like a area here in the bottom, so we can see if the shadows have changed or not. See, pause and see. Okay, so looks much better. Of course, a small detail. I'm gonna do a couple more details, but let me change first in the material for the cup. Little thing that will also give it a more interesting quality. So reducing the diffuse a bit will make the rest be more powerful, such as reflections and bumps, etc. So okay, I'm gonna render another area so we can see the shadows and other stuff. I'll pause it again. So you can see how very well it looks, pretty nice, it's shiny and very like cool. So yeah, I think that's pretty much the last step. Just to give a last test rendering, I will just go and take it to 1080 close, make just a little bit of this area probably, 'cause it should look quite cool. I'll pause it and and I'll leave it for us to see afterwards. Okay, yeah, there you go. I mean, it's just a small detail, but you can tell that things are getting much more interesting, no? So try the whole thing and render it with this technique. I think you will find out very interesting results. Okay, so that's there. Thank you.